Hey everyone, it's Stu here from 3B with a very quick tip. How to remap that awful Bixby button to something else that's useful. Now you will need the latest OS from Samsung, which is the One UI, which they're calling the One UI software. So you will see my screen, here's my phone, on the left or the right, and we're going to go to settings, which is the sort of cog on the top right, and then we scroll down and we go to advanced features. Click advanced features, and then finally we see Bixby key. So we click Bixby key. Now you can have single key to open Bixby, where you just press it once and then you press it twice to open another app. How I have it is that I click it once to open the app that I want and then twice to open Bixby. So basically you click, say for instance, I want it to just single click to open the app that I want, and then you choose the app that you want. It's very simple. You just click the cog key again and then you select the app. And we wanted the camera. I think that's possibly the most used quick access thing that most people want. And that's it. Make sure it's clicked to on, and away you go. You can run a command, a quick command. Basically, quick commands, as it says here, replaces one or more commands with a simple word or phrase. I wouldn't really necessarily want to do that. It seems sort of more fiddly, and really the main reason you want to sort of have just a single key is so it's mapped to something that's used a lot, like a camera or your email or something like that. But I think most people would use it for their camera. So that's how you use it. It's very quick and easy. If we go back to my main screen, and now I click the button, and then it's saying I can't I can't use the camera whilst I'm recording. But I trust me, it works. I'll show you. I will stop recording on this, and then I will show you on my camera. There we go. And that's just me pressing the Bixby key. We'll do it once again. So there we have the thing. There's the Bixby key just there. Press it. And there we go. Fabulous. So that's how you do it. It's quick and easy. Thankfully, Samsung have decided to include the ability to do that. Why they didn't do that a long time ago, no one knows, but it was crazy. But thankfully, it's here. So that's your quick tip. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to ask me questions, there'll be a link in the description where you can go to a comment section on my own website where you can talk freely and without lots of hassle and nonsense from other people. Thanks again. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not already. And I'll see you again very soon. Take care.